Johnny! What did you do? So it's self-quarantine day 2 and you're already out of toilet paper. Not to fret, me and Thumbprint Johnny here got you covered. We're gonna show you what to do.
Cooking for one has never been so fun. If you don't know what to make, it's never too late. The Bachelor's fridge is kicking out the jams and the jellies.
Oh, thank God. With any luck, you've got some old t-shirts laying around. Hopefully, a Golden Girls t-shirt, because they work the best. You want to break out the ladies? Buongiorno, girls. And the reason why I prefer this shirt is because, as you can see, we've already got predetermined strips that we can cut out. For us, that's going to be right down the middle. We're going to follow the guides here. We're going to split Sophia and Dorothy apart, something that's probably not happened, at least in Dorothy's life. Am I right? Alright. We're going to cut out our squad. Which Golden Girl did you find the most attractive? Let me know in the comments. Nice. Check it out. Reusable Golden Girls toilet paper. We got Dorothy, Rose, Sophia, and Blanche. Thumbprint Johnny has gotten himself into a little trouble, as we can see. And there's no toilet paper anywhere to be found. Not a problem. Reusable Golden Girls toilet paper. You have the face side for that initial wipe. Get in there rough and dirty, right? Get rid of it. Then for the cleanup, right? Fold, soft side, do a little cleanup. Then if you've been following along at home, you already have your homemade sanitizer. Just give that a little spray, and you're good as new. Right as rain. Blanche isn't done either. She's gonna go into the washing machine. We're gonna use her again tomorrow. And guess what? We still have Sophia, Dorothy, and we still have Rose. We're good to go. If you made extra fake poop for your video, you can eat it now.
Oh, no, you did it!
Pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty good.